Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Vita.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children. Good evening, children. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm
Good
also
evening,
good,
ma'am.
beta. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So let's start now. Screen is visible, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, beta, the question
Yes,
number 2 that is written. The distance of the point 5, comma minus 3 from the x-axis is. What will be the distance from the x-axis?
5. 5.
5. See, you are drawing this point as like this now. Suppose this is the point 5,
Minus 3,
comma
ma'am.
minus 3, right? Then it will be what? This is
Minus
the 5,
3.
na? This is 5. This point is 5 and distance from the x-axis will be minus 3 or not?
Yes,
Not
yes,
minus 3, it will be 3 only, right? Because
ma'am.
distance can't be measured in
Ma'am,
negative.
I guess it's C then. Option C.
Yes. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am. What about option B then?
You can take on B and C both, na? B is
There's
3
no
only.
option for that.
Yeah. Now next is C. Third question has already came in 2023. The distance of the point minus 4, comma 3 from
4.
from
Ma'am,
y-axis.
4. Ma'am, 4.
4. How, beta?
Ma'am, because it is 4 units away from the Y.
Ma'am, it's -4.
Minus 4 can't be, beta, because distance you can't measure in negative terms, right? So see, minus 4 and comma 3 is given, right? So let's check. See, minus 4, comma 3. So this is your coordinate axis, right? So minus 4. So minus 4 will be this and 3. 3 will be like this. So minus 4, comma 3. Now they are saying that from y-axis. So what will be the distance? 4 now, beta? Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Will be 4. Yes. So 4 will be the answer. Now come to next is the distance of minus 6, comma 8 from the origin. What you will do here? They are saying distance, this is your origin, right, beta? And they are saying minus 6, comma 8. Suppose this is minus 6, comma 8. So from the origin. So what you will apply here? Distance formula or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your distance formula? Tell me what is your distance formula?
Under root of
Under
x2
root
minus
x2
x1 whole
minus
square
x1
plus
whole
y2.
square minus y2 minus y1 whole square.
Yes, and here x1 and y1 you can let 0, 0. Then you will get minus 6 minus 0 whole square, right, beta? And 8 minus 0 whole square. So it will be 36 plus 64. So it will be 100. So 10 will be the answer. Right, beta? Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now fifth is, if the point Px, 4 lies on a circle whose center is at origin and radius is 5 units, then the value of x r. Find it, beta. Find the value of x. This type of question we already did.
And we are doing the fourth question, right?
Fourth or fifth?
Oh, sorry, my fifth question, right? Ma'am, I got the answer. Ma'am, value of x is 3.
Value of x is
Plus or minus 3. 3.
3. Okay, let's check now. If the point Px, y, this is a circle, children. Radius is 5 and center is at origin, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And point is given x, 4. So it means the distance between these 2 points is given, right? So
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
write x square plus 16 is equal to 5. Then x square plus 16 will be equal to 25, right, beta? Squaring both sides. Then x square is equal to 9 and this implied value of x will be plus minus 3. All have got the answer, Siddharth, Rizwana, Meher,
Yes, ma'am.
Sudhanshu, Moksha, Dharya, Sumok,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Puria. So by using these shortcuts, you can solve the questions, right, beta? Because
Yes,
in
Yes,
MCQs, no need to show whole solution. Just show the calculation part, okay? Now this, the distance between these points. So simply 0 and 0. In first point, x coordinate is 0 and second point, y coordinate is 0. So directly you can find the squares of these two numbers, add them and find the square root, right, beta? 2
yes,
root
ma'am.
5 whole square will be 20 or not?
Yes, ma'am.
20 plus 20, 40.
Yes, ma'am.
then answer will be 2 root 10. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, orally we have done only this question. Right? So now the distance between these 2 points. This is your NCERT question. The distance between AB and minus A, comma B. Find the distance. Apply distance formula, beta. Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. ओके हो रही है बेटा?
Is it 2A?
2A. Okay, let's check now. 7th is. So it will be minus A minus 2A, beta. Whole square, right?
Yes,
And B
ma'am.
minus B will be 0. So
Yes,
under
ma'am.
root 0 square. So it will be 4A square. Under root, so 2A will be the answer.
Yes,
D
ma'am.
option, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in the same way, find next question.
I am not innovating.
Ma'am, it's C 2 times.
Okay, let's check, beta. Let's check. The 8th question is this. So it will be minus m minus m. So minus 2m square, right? So it will be 4m square, beta. And then n plus n 4n square. So it will be take 4 common. Then m square plus n square. So 2 under root m square plus n square. Okay. So C option will be the correct answer. Have you got the same answer, children?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now start doing next question. Done, children?
Done, ma'am.
What's the answer? What's the answer? Tell me. Meher, tell me your answer. The distance between the points, see, A cos theta plus B sin theta, comma 0 and 0, comma A sin theta minus B cos theta. So, see, 0 minus this will be. So, you can do like this only, shortcuts. A cos theta plus B sin theta whole square. Right, beta? Plus A sin theta minus B cos theta whole square. Correct? We can do like this. Now open it. A plus B whole square. A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta plus 2AB sin theta cos theta plus A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta minus 2AB sin theta cos theta. So this will cancel, beta. And you can take A square common and then sin square theta plus cos square theta. This was the identity na, in trigonometry. It is equal to what?
1.
Yes, children. 1. Yes. It will be 1. So your answer will be under root A square plus B square. Understood, all?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this question already came in 2020. Not 2020. Yes, 2020. Kindly note it down, children. Now proceed to next question.
Ma'am, what do you mean the reflection of the point?
Yes. What will be the point of the reflection? Do you see? Think it. The values remains the same, right?
Yes, ma'am, but
Their signs will be
Yes.
changed, na?
I guess, ma'am, like reflection in the x-axis. Right.
Yes,
Is it on the other
reflection
side or like
in the
does it go to other
x-axis.
quadrants or?
See, in the x-axis, they are asking about this x-axis only.
Ma'am, will it be 3 comma minus? Like,
Yes, beta.
nothing.
Tell me, children, what will be the point for the reflection?
Ma'am, -3, -5.
Ma'am, 3,5.
3, 5. How, beta?
Because they said it's the reflection in the x-axis.
Reflection is in x-axis only, right? They are saying. The coordinate of the point, which is reflection of the point in the x-axis are. So see, suppose the point is -3, 5. So this is the point, right? -3, 5, right? Now this is the point of reflection, right? So the point will lie here only. So point will be -3, -5 or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, children. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this will be the point of reflection. Understood, children?
Got it, ma'am.
Okay. Now proceed to question number 11. Done, children? See, P x comma y is 5 units from the origin. It means the distance of this point from the origin is 5 units. Then how many such points lie in the third quadrant?
Then infinitely. Or
Infinitely many, ma'am.
Yes, beta?
ma'am, can it be
Yes.
infinitely many because I don't
Yes,
think 5
it
units
can't
from
be. Yes, infinitely many. Because there
but
will be so
only
many, yes, so many coordinates, na? Whose distance
ma'am,
should
no
be,
ma'am, but only 5 points which are 5 units away from origin and that too lied in third
yes,
quadrant.
yes.
So there's like only
There will be infinitely many points, right?
yes.
Okay, now proceed to this question number 12, children. The point of intersection of the line represented by 3x minus y is equal to 3 and y-axis. What do you mean by intersection?
The point which they meet.
Yes, the point at which they will meet. So y-axis, they will meet at y-axis. So it means x coordinate will be 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's one.
So you can cancel this point, this C and D.
Ma'am,
Right,
y
beta?
is -3.
So we can cancel now between these two, A and B, we
Ma'am,
have
A.
to choose.
Ma'am, A.
So x, yes, beta. So x is 0. See, x is 0. So minus y will be equal to 3. So value of y will be 3. So A option will be the correct answer. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is the coordinate of the point where the line 2y is equal to 4x plus 5 crosses x-axis. Now see, beta, focus on this thing, x-axis. So it means it will not cross y-axis, right?
Yes, ma'am. So y will
So
be
x coordinate will be, oh sorry, y coordinate will be 0 na?
0, ma'am. Yes.
Then value of x will be, find the value of x. Then y is 0. The value of the coordinate will be minus 5 by 4
Minus
comma
5 by
0,
4.
right? C option.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now proceed to next question. The coordinates of the vertex A of a rectangle this, whose 3 vertices are given by. Okay, now you have to find the 4th vertex, that is A. Draw these vertices, children.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, bacha?
Ma'am, is it C 3, 4?
Let's check. So origin is 0, 0. This is your O point, right? And then 0, 3. X coordinate is 0 and Y is 3. So this will be the, sorry, 0, 0 and 3, 0. So 3, 0 will be this point, beta. This is C coordinate. This is your B coordinate, right? And there's 0, 4. 0, 4 means this. So this is the D coordinate. And this is a rectangle. So now draw it. So this is D point is 0, 4. So the point, this point will be 3, 4.
Yes, ma'am.
C option. Now solve this 15th one also.
Root 34.
Yes, beta.
Root 34.
Root 34. I guess this question we already did in yesterday class, right? This was in the test, this question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So I guess this much is enough for the today. And I will be sharing one more worksheet based on these MCQs only. Kindly solve that worksheet and send it to me. Again and again, I'm asking this thing. Kindly share your homework as well as classwork. No one is doing.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye, beta.
Bye.